Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Noorie and I hope you guys are all doing well. So in today's video, you probably already know from the title, I'm just going to be talking through some tips and tricks that I use to always look chic and put together. I feel like this is a video that a lot of people have requested on Instagram and on YouTube, so I thought I would put this little video together of just some rules that I use. I feel like these are really easy, so definitely keep on watching if you do want to know how to always look chic and put together. Before I get started in the video, the top I am wearing is from Zara and it is sold out because I bought it 2 years ago now, so yeah, sorry about that. So the first one we're going to talk about is neutrals. Now this will not come as a surprise to many of you because I am known to wear very neutral clothing. My wardrobe is mostly neutrals and I feel like it's that way because for me it's the easiest way to look and feel put together. I feel like if you go for neutrals you can never really go wrong with your outfit. Obviously if you like colour you can always add a pop of colour when you're accessorising or for any special events, but in general day-to-day life, if you do want to look very chic and put together, I would recommend sticking to a 3-colour rule. So for example, I normally go for whites, creams and nudes, and those are the only colours I'll stick to. You can also go for grey, black and white. So if you kind of stick to 3 colours that you would wear, I feel like that automatically makes you look put together. It also looks very effortless. I think that's one of the main reasons why my wardrobe is very neutral, just because it's very easy for me to just go in my wardrobe, pick out a pair of bottoms, a top, a cardigan or something over it, and it will just look put together without even thinking about it, just because the colours all work together. With the neutral colours, it is very trial and error because some nudes might not suit your skin tone, so I would recommend trying out different kinds of nudes. Grey is also a really nice neutral colour to wear if the normal pinky nude doesn't go with your skin tone. But yeah, just trial and error, but I think sticking to 3 colours is a really easy way to always look chic and put together. And then the next one for me is accessories. Now accessories are a huge part of my getting ready process. I feel like I'm not ready unless I have accessories. I'm always wearing jewellery. If you look at all my videos, you always see I have a pair of earrings on, I'm wearing rings, and I most probably have a necklace on. For me, jewellery is a way to personalise your outfit because everyone can wear the same outfit, but it's how you accessorise it that makes it yours and makes it stand out. So for me, jewellery is just one of those things that I feel like just makes my outfit pop. So I'll just talk through actually the jewellery I'm wearing today. I want to introduce you to a brand that I'm really happy to be partnering up with in today's video, and the brand is Mejuri. So I'm always getting asked about the jewellery that I'm wearing, and I feel like jewellery does really make things stand out. So Mejuri is a luxury jewellery brand, so they do really good quality fine pieces of jewellery but without the massive price tag. So fine jewellery, when you normally say fine jewellery you think about these really expensive jewellery companies that are sometimes really not affordable for people who just want a piece that they can wear every day and not worry about too much. So Mejuri is very affordable. They do sterling silver, they do 14K gold, they also do gold vermeil, which is basically a thick coating of 18K gold over sterling silver, so it still gives you that kind of gold effect. I mean, it is gold, as in the colour will last long, it won't irritate your ears, which I absolutely love, and the pieces are just so effortless, so chic. So this video is perfect for the Mejuri pieces that I'm going to be talking about because they are the definition of effortless, everyday, put together chic. So I'm wearing these earrings, these gold hoops. You guys know I love gold hoops. I literally live in my gold hoops. And these are in a gold vermeil, which means they are coated in a thick layer of 18 karat gold, which I absolutely love because you get the beautiful gold shine. They're on sterling silver, they're not going to irritate my ears, so I can literally wear them all day. And they are so lightweight. They look really big, but they're not heavy at all. They're so comfortable. I'm obsessed with these, and I know you guys are always asking about my hoops and earrings, so this is one that I would definitely recommend. So these earrings are £75, which is absolutely amazing for a pair of earrings that I'm probably going to be living in and wearing every single day. And then the rings that I'm wearing today, you guys know I always wear gold rings. I feel like they just make your hands look so much prettier, and it does look very chic. I feel like when you wear simple, fine pieces of jewellery, it can make your whole outfit just change. I am wearing the duo ring, which is made of 14 karat gold, which I love because I'm always washing my hands and I hate having to take off my rings to wash my hands. So the fact that it's in gold is perfect. It won't get tarnished or anything like that. And I absolutely love how chic and elegant it looks. It's so simple. It's just like, you know, like if you just see it, it's like, oh, that's a nice ring, but it's very like chic, very classy. And then on my other hand, I have the croissant dome ring, and this is in gold vermeil. So as I said, it's in a thick layer of 18 karat gold, which is also amazing, so I know it won't tarnish. And I absolutely love the look of these. I like mixing like chunkier pieces of jewelry with very like fine, dainty pieces. I feel like the contrast really looks good. It goes together very well. I also have a beautiful herringbone chain necklace, which is in 14 karat yellow gold. And for me, necklaces on like a plain top, or if you have like a V-neck, open neck, they really just stand out. I think they also make such a difference. So whenever I'm wearing like a shirt or I'm wearing a t-shirt, I always love to layer on gold chains, and you guys know this because in all of my styling videos I'm always adding a necklace on top of whatever I'm wearing. So this herringbone necklace is absolutely gorgeous. I just love how delicate it looks, how it sits on the neck. It's just kind of like the fluidity of it, it just like flows with your body. Do you know what I mean? Like, I absolutely love it. I love how simple it is. Again, it's an everyday piece of jewelry that I can wear, and I love that it is in 14k gold, which means it won't get tarnished. So another piece that I want to talk about from Mejuri that I'm absolutely in love with. So these sapphire twin hoops, they're in a 14k yellow gold, and then you have the sapphires on the double hoop. I love these because I only have one piercing, but I love the look of a double piercing, and these give you that effect without actually having to have a second piercing, which I'm obsessed with. I think these are just such a beautiful, dainty, everyday pair of earrings. So when I'm not wearing like chunky hoops and I want to go for a more understated, chic look, I will go for these double hoops. So for me, Mejuri is that perfect brand when you want to get luxury fine jewelry, but you don't want that massive price tag. They're amazing quality. They're 80% female team, which I love. I'm all about that. It's like they're kind of like they're redefining luxury, because obviously when you think of luxury, you think of these massive price tags, but you're getting these beautiful luxury pieces which are amazing quality for such an affordable price. They're definitely worth it, and pieces that I will be keeping for a lifetime. I will be leaving a link down below so you can click and check out all the pieces that I wear and have, and new customers do get 10% off, so definitely take advantage of that. So the next thing I want to talk about is planning outfits. Now, planning outfits sounds like such a simple thing, but it honestly makes such a difference to getting ready in the mornings, to looking put together. So for me, whenever I buy a new like piece of clothing and I'm not too sure how to style it, I'm always going onto Pinterest. I type in whatever the item is. So if I type in high-waisted black trousers, there are so many pictures that will come up giving me inspo, and majority of the time I will have similar pieces to those which is being shown in the picture in my wardrobe, and I can easily play around with those things and create outfits. So I love using Pinterest to get inspiration for my outfits, and Pinterest is just like the place for chic and just looking put together. I feel like every picture on there is amazing. So I definitely do spend a lot of time on Pinterest, like planning my outfits, looking at what I have in my wardrobe and playing around with those. I also think when you plan your outfits, it's more fail-proof. The night before I'm going out, if I have an event or I'm going somewhere, I like to plan my outfit, because if I'm in a rush in the morning, I'm most likely not going to look put together because I would have just grabbed whatever. I definitely think planning your outfits is all part of looking more put together. More thought has gone into it. If you plan it, bound to look good. So I definitely use Pinterest for inspiration. I think that's definitely a good life hack. If you buy something new and you're not sure like what to wear it with, just type in what it is, but like obviously be quite vague. So if it's like a new white shirt, I would just type in white shirt styling, and there are going to be so many things that come up to show you how to style that piece. Alongside Pinterest, I also use Instagram a lot. I'm always saving outfits for inspiration. I love Instagram. Instagram is just like another version of Pinterest for me. It's where I get a lot of inspiration from. So again, definitely go through your explore page, follow people whose fashion sense you do like, and then that way you can really plan your outfits based off what, like, the kind of things that they wear, and most of the time they'll post links to what they're wearing, so you can basically copy their outfits. Also, a little shameless plug, if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely do follow me. My Instagram handle is Noorie Anna. I don't know why I did this. Is True gonna put this here? My Instagram handle is Noorie Anna. Follow me if you're not, if you do want more fashion inspiration. I do post my outfits on there. The next next one for me would be playing with textures and materials. So for me, texture and like the materials I pick out in my clothes are so important. So try picking out more natural fabrics as opposed to synthetic fabrics. I know it's hard in this day and age with all the like companies that we have. There's so much fast fashion. It's quite hard to find good quality like cotton pieces, but you will be surprised. Places like H&M and Zara do often use materials like linen and cotton, so definitely when you can, do try and purchase those pieces. Not only will they last longer, but they are obviously better for the environment. This top I'm wearing, which is from Zara, is actually made from linen, which is amazing, and I've had this, like I said, for 2 years. I've worn it a lot, so it does, the proof is in the pudding. Sometimes you can't find things made out of 100% cotton, so like linen blends and cotton blends are also a nice alternative. I do think they just look more chic. If you're wearing a beautiful cotton dress or a cotton shirt, it's going to look so much better than a synthetic polyester, I don't know what they use. So for me, whenever I see something made in like 100% cotton, I grab it. So materials for me are really important. I do feel like they look more chic and put together, so definitely try doing that. So textures for me are another really important way to make yourself look more chic and put together. So for me, I like to mix textures. So if I'm wearing like a knit bra top or a knit vest, I'd like to wear it with like something that's not knit. I mean, obviously I do like the cobalt look, things like that look great, but I do think mixing your textures together look amazing. They definitely look chic and you will always look put together. So I love wearing, like, for example, my knit top with a cotton mini skirt and like a linen blazer. They just all look put together. Although they're completely different materials, it looks amazing put together. I feel like it really stands out as well. It makes your outfit look a little less boring. So definitely when you can, do try mixing your materials. It does take some getting used to because obviously not everything is going to look great together. But I think if you do have like different textures, different materials, pieces of clothing, do like play around with them and see what they look like together, because most of the time they do look great. So another really important thing for me is iron and steam your clothes. Oh my goodness, the difference steaming and ironing your clothes makes is, it makes a difference. So definitely do that. That is like the easiest thing. If you can take one thing away from this video, iron and steam your clothes. That is the easiest way for you to look chic and put together. I can't stress the importance of ironing and steaming your clothes. Obviously materials are naturally going to get creased. This is not like 100% crease free. When you move, things are going to get creased, but I think if things are so badly creased, you do need to steam them. You could be wearing a really expensive outfit and you can make it look really cheap just by it not being ironed or steamed. So I do think that is really important. I'm really scared about burning materials, so I just have a really cheap steamer I bought from Amazon. You can buy steamers from everywhere, but I would definitely say it's worth getting. It does make a massive difference, and that is just one step closer to looking put together and looking chic. Point in this video is balance your outfits. For me, this is really important, and I try and do this as much as possible. Sometimes it doesn't work, but most of the times it is really key to me planning my outfits. So by balancing my outfits, I mean if you're wearing a very revealing top, or it's quite cropped, wear bottoms that are more covering. So you don't want to wear like a really cropped top with like cut off shorts, like denim shorts that are showing your legs, because it's not proportionate. It's just too much skin showing. It doesn't look classy, it doesn't look chic. I wear bra tops a lot. If I'm wearing a crop top or a bra top, I love wearing like wide leg trousers with them. I feel like that look looks great together, and you're also mixing like the whole tailored vibe of the high-waisted pants with a more casual crop top. The balancing of it is like key. It just makes it look good. It's kind of like chemistry, you know, you just have to balance. I wasn't very good at chemistry, so I don't know what I'm saying. It's like chemistry, maybe it's not. So when it's like, if it's like long sleeved and quite covered at the top and you're wearing a short dress, that looks really nice because the focus of your outfit would be the legs. Whereas if you're wearing like, it's cut off at the top and then you're wearing a really short dress, it's like, where do your eyes go? There's just too much going on. I just think whatever you're wearing at the top, do the opposite on the bottom and vice versa. So if you're wearing tight bottoms, or if you're wearing a tight top, wear like loose bottoms. If you're wearing tight bottoms, wear a loose top. You get the vibe. I do sometimes wear a crop top and like a mini skirt because I feel like sometimes it looks great. But I would say majority of the time, if I do want to look chic and put together, definitely do that whole balancing thing. I also think another way to balance your outfits would be wearing more tailored things with more relaxed things. So for example, I always do this, wearing a blazer with biker shorts. So they're like completely opposite. You would never put the two together. I mean, obviously people do now, but I think it just gives it a whole new look. Wearing things that are opposite do look really great together. I love wearing like tailored trousers with a more relaxed top, so I'll wear like a high-waisted pair of really smart trousers with like a racer bag vest, and I just love that whole look. I do think it looks chic, it looks effortless, it looks like you didn't put much thought into it, but you did have thought into it, and it does look great, you know what I mean? So definitely do think about mixing up those kind of things, so like tailored with more relaxed fits. I feel like that's a really easy way to look put together. Okay, so that was everything in the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was useful for you and gave you some tips and tricks. Be sure to let me know down below what tips and tricks you use if I haven't mentioned them in here, or anything else you'd like to add. Also let me know what kinds of videos you'd like to see on this channel. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. I hope to see you in the next video, and